Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add label, title, and text in MATLAB plot. So basically what you'll need to do is write like this to add X and Y label. So for the X label, just type X label, brackets open, then just time or whatever you need and brackets closed. And now basically if you run the code, you'll see that you'll have the labels. And if you want the title for this plot, what you can do is basically type title, then open the brackets and type, let's say, sin graph and send by X right here. And just you can select the font size if you want to. So I'm just going to write the font size, and you don't need to write an equal sign. Okay, now you just add a comma, and right here you can just type, let's say 10. All right, and now just run the code and you will get something like that. Of course, you can change the font size if you want for these two, but don't forget to add comma every time you write something right here. Now, if we run, you'll be able to get a different font size. So let's say 20. All right, as you can see, the font size is changed right now. And you customize the line of the plot and the custom marks. What you can do is basically go to the plot where you did write plot and named your variables right here. It means that my color is now red. You can set that, let's say, to green. Now it means the symbol means that we have normal line. If I go and click another minus symbol, this will mean we'll have dashed line, and this is the symbols. So if I remove, I will get the only dashed line, and if I add, let's say M, okay, so this isn't possible, but if I go with the O, it will give me the dotted line. So as you can see, this is pretty simple. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.